Today we're going to be building a spring snare using this cheesy paracord because that's what we've got. So what we're going to do to make that trigger mechanism is we need two sticks that have a Y in it. So we'll take this one and we will look for another one. Okay, so here's another one right here. That should do. Okay. What is important is this joint. So we're going to keep an upright portion, probably this one, and then we're going to cut this one here. Around here, hopefully it doesn't break the whole thing. Got a little shorter. Not bad. Need to cut it more flat. And then we'll cut the bottom just to give us plenty of space here. So there's what they call a 7-stick. Not bad. So we've got our two 7s. That might work. Okay. Now, this one's a stake, so that one's done. This one, however, is going to be tied to that string. So I need to put a beaver cut around here so the string won't slip off when it's coming this way. Alright. I might just leave that messy so the rope has something to grab onto. Cool. Okay, so we've got those two things. And now we're ready. So I'll be using this sapling. And I'll be pretending there's a rabbit run right there. And we'll set it up using those 7 sticks that we just made. Okay. We'll tie it to this branch here. And I'll just tie this. Oh, I'm standing on my string. Okay. So there you go. That's tied there. Tied to the tree. So we'll take the 7-stick down. We'll just put it under there. So then on the other side, I just need a stake to kind of help me hold the snare. And here we have that 7-stick. They're connected right there. And I'm just going to tie a simple snare. That's not so hard. It's all practice, right? And then, so there's that same loop, and then we'll tuck this through there, and it's starting to snow. Okay. 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 Come in here. Like a normal snare, right? Until it tightens. And then all this does is make it so the rabbit can't chew its way through your cord. I wanted to show you if you're in an area where you know your stuff's getting taken by foxes or wolves or coyotes or probably those two. Let's not get ahead of ourselves with cougars and that kind of thing. Those, you can't stop them. So I'm thinking a coyote would probably have trouble getting to this one. That's about what, 8 feet. So, where did I put that? Crap. Ah, here. So here's our string. On one end we still have our usual 7-stick and our snare. And on the other end, it's all my rope, so we'll see what we can do. Over. There we go. Perfect. Let's get something heavy. A log. So obviously everyone's first choice for something heavy is a rock. There's like no rocks for whatever reason, so we'll use this log. It'll give you a good idea of what I mean. So like I said, I want this up here. Okay, so there's my new spring mechanism, right? It wants to pull up pretty hard. And it'll take it all the way up. So let's give that a go. So we're just using the same ones we used last time. This is our stake. Okay. Okay, that's gonna go. Okay, so same setup as last time. Got that loop on the end. Okay. So here's our rabbit. Our rabbit comes through here. It's off the snare. And of course it just flies right over the top. This time here's our rabbit. So our rabbit comes on through this trail that doesn't exist, pops on in there, classic snare, and again, it flew over just from the momentum, but if you had more string and a taller tree, wouldn't matter.